coming to rising, rising through the air. Up ahead in that distance, I saw a stream of light. I said, look at my psychotic, I had to stop on the line. I just stood on the doorway with the mission bell. Then I said to myself, this could be heaven, not this could be hell. She lift up the candle, she showed me the way. There were voices at the corridor, I thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Living up at the Hotel California. Anytime I live, look and feel it again. I might tip on the twister, she got the messages bent. She called a lot of little boys, she called her friends. Dance through the courtyard, sweet summer sway. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. Then I call up the captain, please bring me my wine. We have been out the serious since 1969. And those voices roll on. There ain't never been a better night. Yeah, let me say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, and such a lovely place. Any of room at the Hotel California. Every day, any time of the year. Yeah. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. Hotel California, California. Mirrors on the ceiling, ninja bells on night. We all are prisoners here of our own device. And the master chamber, they gather for the feast. Starting with the stealing night, but they just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was heading for the door. After passed through the passage where I was before. The last said the nightmare, we are programmed to receive. Sometimes every time you lie, but you just cannot leave. Welcome to the hotel.